Hey everyone, I'm attorney Jordan McIntyre with McIntyre Elder Law, and I have the wonderful Samantha Gordon, who's also an attorney at McIntyre Law and a great trainer. And today we're going to talk about estate planning with family over the holidays.
Hey everybody, attorney Samantha Gordon here. So today on the Elder Law Report, we're going to talk about maybe a little bit of a discussion that isn't a hot topic at the dinner table during the holidays. Talking about estate planning, you think about someone passing away and thinking about, what's going to happen when this person passes away. Where's this table going to go that we're sitting at right now when grandma passes away or mom passes away, something like that. And so those discussions aren't really a big topic at the table, but they do come up. And how do you navigate that discussion in a meaningful way? But also, if you set up your estate plan this year, how do you do that with your family in such a way where they understand what your wishes are? So Jordan, if you were sitting at the dinner table and you were having a discussion with your parents about their estate plan, how would you want them to approach that with you to make you and help you understand, what their idea is and what their goals are?
Well, first I would suggest that they meet with an attorney, but um, I want them to think very clearly about how they want all of the assets to be distributed after their death. I want to make sure that they are protecting any of my siblings. We're really going over everything within their estate. And I know it's going to be a difficult discussion because no one wants to think about end of life scenarios. But if my parents have a business, I'm going to make sure that they're aware that if there's no succession plan in place, that business is going to come to a halt if we don't have a business plan for. So I really want them to think about everything that could go wrong and to address that to make everything easier for me and my siblings.
Definitely. And also knowing who's named in those documents, like who did your parents name as their power of attorney, their agent under their power of attorney, who did they name as the executor of their will, their trustee of the will. The child, if a child was chosen, needs to know that they are the person that is appointed in these documents, and they're going to have to manage mom and dad's affairs. And having a lot of siblings, sometimes that can be a lot. So definitely having that discussion. In addition to that, when you're having a discussion about estate planning, if maybe you're sitting around the table and you know that your parents have put off putting together an estate plan, or your grandparents, or if it's you and your spouse, or if it's just you as a single individual, just knowing that you're having this great time with your family around the table, whether that's friends, whoever your family is, and you want to make sure that if something were to happen to me or something were to happen to my loved one, that I know that there's a plan in place that is going to make the situation so much easier for them, because they're going to have to go through a grieving process. And if they have to go through the super transactional time and circumstance because there isn't a plan in place, it's going to make that process so much harder. So even though it's a tough topic to talk about during the holidays, it is so, 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 so important. And there's no better time to think about and get your estate plan as a New Year's resolution in the beginning of the year.
It's the best New Year's resolution you can have.
Agreed.
And you're going to save a lot of grief down the road.
Definitely. Agreed. Well, Jordan, this was great. If anyone listening to this podcast or watching our podcast would like to schedule a free consultation, whether it's now, before the holidays, after the holidays, as part of your New Year's resolution, you can give us a phone call at 888-999-6600, or you can visit our website at mcelderlaw.com/scheduling. Bye, Jordan.
See you.